Definitely one of the foggiest mornings I've had in a while, but I'm okay right here because I know the area, but still. Alrighty guys, we made it to the first location. Hopefully we don't get kicked out or we don't get locked in. I saw a gate that was open, so let's do it. So we're in the LA River. Jackie made it no problem. So it's a little chilly today. But big shout out to the guy I follow on Instagram. He drives a yellow TSX, or used to drive one. Now he drives a yellow S2000. Gave me the address, and I just want to say thanks, man, because I really like this location. So I'm definitely gonna make the best of it, and hopefully you guys you know, enjoy it, enjoy some of the pictures that come out of it. So let me put you guys down a little bit, clean my lenses. I put on the longer lens, and I'm definitely gonna have to walk a little bit more back because it's not capturing almost anything. If anybody's wondering, it's the 60 something 400 something. Oh, the 72-350 G0 SS. So this is much better. Definitely cool to be able to take some pictures of this car right here. Obviously, if some of you guys have seen movies like Gone in 60 Seconds, Blood In, Blood Out, the LA River is very iconic for those scenes. So we took a couple pictures. I'm definitely gonna skedaddle. Maybe it's my imagination, but the water is definitely rising a little bit. I don't think the water in the center was this. It's now coming over to my side quite a bit. So I don't want it up in the news because someone got stuck, and then everybody will recognize it's my car. Can't even be like, yeah, it wasn't me. Like, dude. So yeah, we're gonna. Oh yeah, definitely. The water's been growing, so that's good. To think that this whole entire thing was covered in water at one point, but sadly not no more. It's a little sketchy here. Can't really see that much. Man, such cool place to come and shoot. So see if I can find another little location where I can take some more pictures around here. But yeah, this is dope. On my way to the first location, I noticed this building, and I really like it just because it's very plain. I'm gonna take some pictures right away because I think it's like a city building, so I'm sure they would call the cops like, hey, how come we're taking pictures here? But I really like the cleanness of the building, and we'll see how some of these pictures come out. Quest to find like a nice little high point where I can take pictures with the downtown in the back. I'm like in these little tiny streets. Hopefully this is all worth it. It's nice little neighborhoods though. I dig it. Good morning, LA. Wow, what a beautiful view. Woof. I'm in some park. I'm sure you guys know where it is. I don't know. I just made a right, another right. Went through some little neighborhood. Now I'm here. Not even sure if I'm supposed to be in the park, but wow, what a picture. That's gorgeous. Oh my God. She's doing great. So take some more pictures. A little bit of water spots from the river, but other than that, looking good. Let's see if I can get some pictures from that little angle to get the background, and if not, we'll keep driving. It's just fun. Turns out it's Elysian Park. Ando todo norteado. So I like pictures like this. I gotta be careful so that I don't get too close, but I like pictures of just like buildings and graffiti and all that stuff. Obviously with the GoPro it looks really far away, but with the lens I think it's gonna come out for some very nice pictures. So yeah, Just random angles. I love them. Wow. I'll definitely be including some of these pictures just so you guys can see what I like. I like texture, patterns of roofs. I see some people do it so nicely, so effortlessly, and I'm like, damn, how did you guys do that? You know, they just get like the most random, simplistic thing, and they make like something artistic out of it. So I especially see this at some people I follow on Instagram that live like in San Francisco and New York. I haven't seen many people in LA. Maybe I'm not following the right people, but I like how they just get like the most random things. See, like right there, the angles of it. So this is cool. So we were down there earlier, and the water definitely keeps going up, so I'm glad I left. Man, this is cool though. As you guys can tell, I get excited about the most random things, but I like hanging out by myself. I don't know, I've been having the discussion with myself that I'm not the person to want to be super excited about sharing what I do, what I don't do. Some people want to tell you every little thing they do and don't do, and to me it's just more like, you know, I guess I like the mystery, if that's what it makes sense. Just me. That's just me. We're gonna try to see if we can find some other location by downtown LA so I can get the skyline, just the skyline by itself, not necessarily with Jackie. But man, what an awesome morning. I woke up at 6:20. Well, woke up way earlier than that because of Chubbs, but that's so cool right there. Just metro buses just hanging out. I understand why people love trains. That's cool. And oh, there's one moving. Where can I get it? Let me see if I can get this one right there. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. Again, I get excited about the weirdest little things. I know I'm not the only one. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get some pictures of downtown because I really like the way it looks. And yeah, we're gonna start making our way home to Orange County because traffic was adding up. I must say I love the houses here, the little craftsman style homes. This is cool, man. Man, LA has so many nice little areas where a little TLC and it'd be amazing to live in. It's crazy. Looks beautiful here. Next stop is the Little Angels flight. Crossing the street. Hopeful to take some nice pictures with Jackie right there. Hopefully it comes at a decent angle, but we'll see. The lens that I'm using a little too aggressive for the distance, but I'm sure we'll manage. But it's a cool little spot. Just driving through downtown LA in the morning is very peaceful. It's not much going on. Morning. Well, I should say there is a lot going on, but it's one of those things where it's not mayhem. Oh, this is nice. I can't park there because there's anything that I want to park there, but that's cool. This little. So let me see if I can get this. Definitely getting a nice angle from here. That's perfect. Let's see, let me lower this. Definitely let me lower the ISO. That should be good right here. Let's get a nice different angle right there. Boom. Seeing the train in action. See if I can get better angles here. can't get the, from this angle, can't get the trolley and Jackie all in the same shot. Last location, this area where you can see downtown LA. They put these barriers because people were doing too many what do you call those, takeovers and things like that. So a lot of, obviously it used to be cleaner because the city would send people to clean it, but now they have the barriers. I don't think that people from the city want to even go there, so it just keeps getting dirtier and dirtier. Just a big shame, but what can you do? Well, there's a lot we can do. It's just choosing not to. I mean, clear a little bit of the trash out of the way, and then now we're gonna hit it with the long lens. And yeah, after this we're gonna go home because traffic's starting to add up.